Hey everybody, it's the Mobile Home Mama. How we doing? Wow, we're rearing up, ready for a holiday coming up. We've got the 4th of July. So I was just running around out here looking for a house, maybe to take a video, and I found this beauty, folks. This is our home series called the Woodward, but the actual home is called the Poe. So I've got it in 2 pieces. It's going to take a little bit. Just to remind you guys, I am a sales consultant. So if you'd like to purchase a home from me, I would love that too. I'll throw in a $100 Walmart gift card if you call my phone number and you ask for the Mobile Home Mama and you ask to purchase from me, then we'll work something out. Let's start from the back. I started getting ahead of myself there. So I'm coming in through the side door, and right behind the door, we're going to find the electrical panel. Now, this home has the hidden pantry. We'll see that in just a second. But coming in the back door, we've got the furnace right here. And then this customer has added washer dryer cabinets, but here's the laundry area. Coming into the living space, this is an optional door that you can add here. But when you walk into here, check it out. Wide open. Now, this space right here is actually a family room. So this customer has done a linoleum throughout, so sometimes it's hard to tell the difference between where one room ends and another begins. But anyways, I know this is a family room right here. They have done, of course, drywall, and it looks like they're going to put a TV up there. That's a TV wall brace, guys. Now, behind this drywall is going to be a reinforcement of OSB so that you have something to attach your TV wall brace to. And so that's why it looks kind of weird halfway up. That way you don't have cords hanging down and looking kind of crazy. We've got a white wrap profile trim. I can tell when I touch it because you can feel the vinyl wrapped around it. This customer has also added window blinds. And so the next room we would be stepping in is actually the dining area. So this is where a dining table would go. Did the patio door here. Let's talk kitchen. Wowzers. This is the ultimate kitchen. And what made me want to jump into this home is when I was driving around on the outside, I saw this window right here. Now, this is a 32 by 52 picture window that is available to go above the sink. And by the way, who do you think made this home? You got it, Champion Homes. I am a salesperson at Champion Homes here in Topeka, Indiana, right at the factory. So if you're wanting to buy a manufactured home, no problemo, you can buy straight from the factory now. 32 by 52 picture window, and in the ultimate kitchen, you're going to see a lot of cool things. You're always going to see the cabinets all the way to the ceiling and the farm sink. And then you're also going to see all the stainless steel appliances, so dishwasher, microwave tower, side by side. Usually it's a 21 cubic foot with ice and water in the door. This customer is upgraded to the French door refrigerator. You'll always see these decorative glass panels here. And these handles are specific to the ultimate kitchen. Now you can put them in a regular home, but you're going to pay a little bit extra for those handles. Now, drawers over doors, one of my faves, everybody knows that. And then the stove is going to be actually built into the cabinetry. There's your real hardwood. By the way, you've got to opt for hardwood cabinets to be able to get this kitchen. You're going to see some crescent edging. That's part of the package. And then the built-in cooktop available in gas or electric. Here's the microwave tower, and it is going to have the microwave, the convenience cabinet in there, and a couple of pot and pan drawers, and also the stainless steel hood. So you get a lot of stuff in that package for a little bit of money. And this backsplash is called Grease, G-R-I-S though, not like grease like lard, but Grease is the name of the backsplash, and it looks beautiful with this drama marble. Comment below, tell me what you guys think. I was trying to find what I could match that backsplash with, and by golly, here it is. So now, the showstopper of this home, this is the reason everybody buys this home, is right behind these hidden doors. So you open up the doors, you think you've just got another little pantry, another little cabinet. Not the case. You're going to walk right in to a hidden pantry. Woo! How many cans do you think you can fit in here? By the way, at the end here, we've got a water softener loop. Back here is your actual water heater. And then you've got a water shutoff right here. So it's not like the old days where you had to crawl underneath your home to shut the water off. You can shut it off pretty much anywhere now. I just want to step back and have you guys take a look at this. Look how light, bright, white and beautiful this home is. 32 by 68, I want to say. We call this the Poe. I think I already said that. Now let's go check out the rest of the house in pieces. Correction, this is a 28 by 68. Sorry about that, but you can stretch it to a 32 if you want to.
All right, guys, and now we're into the bathroom. So you got the dual vanity set up, and they actually went with a Serenity bathroom. So you get this huge four-sided ceramic shower, rain shower head over there with your spout on this side. Also comes with a very large linen closet to store all your towels and toiletry. On the back side, there goes Christina, you get your toilet, and you actually get two linen closets in this one.
All right, folks, here's a look at the exterior of the home. This customer kept it pretty plain. We did some white lineals around the windows, and that's about it out here. It's got two large 4661s peeking out of the living room. And then next up is going to be bedroom 2. They added some windows in there. And then bedroom 3. Let's go inside and check it out. All right, everybody, coming into the living room. If we look over here, I can see they did another TV wall brace there. And then moving around, say hi to Xavier. And we've got a nice cutout here, which you could add a floating vanity if you wanted to, but this customer opted to not do that. But right behind the door, we've got a guest closet, which can hold your coats, boots, hats, all that good stuff. Coming to the right, this is going to be the primary bedroom. So we've got a great sized primary bedroom here. And then I don't see a closet, so this is going to tell me that one of these doors is going to be a huge walk-in closet, and the other door will go to that Serenity shower. There's still some more in this home. Let's go find the other opening. All right, everybody, and to finish this off, we're staying in bedroom 2, bath 2, and bedroom 3. So there you have it. Leave me some comments down below. Let me know what you think of this floor plan. This is the Champion Homes Woodward family. Thanks, and have a great 4th of July.